Here's how to make doing hard stuff feel easy. We have to realize that there are two types of motivation: push and pull motivation. And most of the time, whenever you have to push yourself to do something, whenever you have to push yourself to go to the gym in the morning, whenever you have to push yourself to get out of bed in the morning, that is using push motivation and using willpower. But that never lasts. That never lasts. And because when you push yourself over and over and over again, you're eventually going to get burnt out. And so you want to use pull motivation instead of push motivation. And pull motivation is when you feel you link pleasure to doing the thing that you want to do, even if it, because something is only hard because we make it in our mind that, oh, it's hard because of this, this, and this. Usually we link pain to doing it, and that's why it feels hard. Because if something can be hard, something can also be easy. I guarantee you there are people that find going to the gym easy. I guarantee you there are people who find working on their business easy. And it's because they have the mindset, they believe that it's easy. So first you have to have the belief that, hey, this is easy. And you can use incantations and affirmations to reinforce that to yourself over and over again. Say, this is easy. Working on my business is so easy. Going to the gym every morning is so easy. I have so much fun and I'm so excited every single day to wake up at 5 a.m. and I just love it. And by doing that, by reinforcing that with beliefs over and over again, you'll find it will get easier over time, as long as you apply the tips that you learned in this video. And the other thing is to make something, to feel pulled to do something, you want to celebrate whenever you do that. You want to reward and celebrate yourself whenever you do what you said you're going to do. Because most of the time we don't do the things that we said we're going to do. And as a result, we feel bad about ourselves. Whenever you don't do something you said you're going to do, then you lose confidence. You lose that self-esteem that people need to succeed and need to be productive. So you want to celebrate and reward what it is that you're doing. If you go to the gym each morning and, especially when you don't want to do it, then, when you go out and do it, you want to celebrate that. You want to say, let's go, dude. Yes, give yourself a high five, give yourself a hug, do whatever it is you got to do to celebrate that. Say, hey, great job, dude. Outstanding. We killed it. When you say that to yourself, even though it sounds silly or stupid, that little acknowledgement goes a long way to reinforcing that habit and reinforcing that positive behavior. And, you can reward yourself then afterwards. It could be something like, hey, I get to go have a massage later this afternoon. Or, if I wake up early today, then I get to go to my favorite restaurant for dinner tonight. Something like that, but have a reward for yourself as well once you do something, especially if you don't want to do it at the beginning. Having a reward for that can really motivate you to actually do it and do it consistently. But on top of that, what's even more important is to link pleasure to doing the things that you want to do and that you need to get done. Because like I said, we usually link pain to doing certain things, and that's why it feels hard. So to make it easy, you want to link pleasure to doing it. So for, let's say, going to the gym in the morning, if that's something you're struggling with, or working on your business, if that's something that you feel is hard to do, and ask yourself, okay, what could be easy about this? What's something about this that is easy? How can I make this even more fun? How can I make it easy? How can I make it even easier than it is now? Because when you say even easier, that presupposes that it's already easy to do. Even if it's not, even if you have to fake it till you make it, by using that empowering question, that can still change your life. It still serves and benefits you. So why not use it? So again, ask yourself, how can I make this even easier than it already is now? How can I make waking up at 5 a.m. even easier than it already is now? And ask yourself that continuously, and you will get an answer. Whatever question you ask yourself repeatedly with enough emotion and persistence, you will get an answer for. So you might as well make sure it's empowering. And when you ask yourself these questions, then you'll find ways to make it easier on yourself. You'll figure out, okay, maybe I can have a reward for myself to wake up early and make that feel easier. Maybe I can drink water immediately after waking up at 5 a.m. Maybe that's what will make it easier. Maybe I'll have a great breakfast already prepared and downstairs waiting, so that will make it more compelling, more exciting for me to wake up in the morning. Do something, but by asking yourself these questions, like I said, it can just transform your life and it can make it even more exciting. And that's the other question. Ask yourself, how can I make this even more fun than it already is now? Again, the presupposition, that presupposes that it's already fun to do, to wake up at 5 a.m. And so you're just making it even more fun than it already is. And by asking yourself these questions, again, you can make it enjoyable. And when you find ways to enjoy what you do, that's when it becomes easy. That's when things that were hard once now are easy for you. By asking yourself those two questions, those can really transform your life. And do that with anything. Do that with business, with waking up early, with going to the gym, with everything. And that will transform your life. That's why, you can enjoy your life. You can enjoy the journey to success when you ask yourself these questions. But most people never do. And as a result, business always seems hard, or going to the gym always feels hard, or waking up early always feels hard. But it's your choice. You get to decide whether or not this is easy or hard for you in your life. You get to decide whether your life is easy or not. So if you could make your life easier, wouldn't you want to? Of course, why not? That doesn't mean you're lazy. That doesn't mean you don't do the things that you need to get done. It just simply means that you enjoy them more. And as a result, it just feels more effortless to do them each day. So try this out, guys. Again, ask empowering questions for yourself to make things easier and more fun. Link pleasure to doing those things and figure out, why is this easy? And celebrate and reward yourself each time you do them, because that will reinforce the behavior that you want, because what gets rewarded gets repeated. And most of the time we reinforce and reward unintentionally. We reinforce and reward the wrong habits. We give ourselves pleasure for overeating, or, we say, it's so great, it's okay to work on like social media, or just tweak my logo, or make the store colors on my business a little bit better. But in reality, we're avoiding the number one thing that needs to get done. We're avoiding advertising. We're avoiding the number one thing that will really move the needle. But it's because we link pain to it. So you have to link pleasure to it. And you can do that by asking those empowering questions, rewarding yourself each time you do it, and celebrating it. And that will reinforce that behavior, make it easy, and make you enjoy it more. So hope this video finds you well, guys. Let me know down below if this helps you guys. And let me know what videos you guys want to see from me in the future. But make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, y'all.